Guys, you're welcome to this video lesson. So we're talking about combination. So if you're new on this channel, can you hit the subscribe button? Where if you have been my subscribers, thank you for coming back to watch this video. So talking about combination, first of all, we'll talk about permutation in my previous video. So look at what the word. I thought that permutation means when you see the word arrange, but in this case of combination, it's quite very different. When you hear combination, it means when you see the word selection. So these are the key points you must look for. Selection or choosing. These are the key points that must be in the question. Or you can see combination. So these are the key points that tell you that you have to solve using this method. Selection, when you see the word selection, choosing, or combination. And let's assume this an example. Let's say A combination B. How do you write it? You write it in this way as equals to A factorial. I talked about factorial in my previous video, so go and watch it on this channel so I have a clear knowledge on factorial. Over open brackets A minus B factorial and also B factorial. So this is the formula you have to use when you see the word select, choose, or combination. Any of them can work. So these are the key points you must know that you have to combine or choose selection in the question. So let's take a question on this topic, combination. Question on this video lesson. We are given that in how many ways can a disciplinary committee of three be choosing? Look at the word choosing. That means we have to apply combination formula. Look at the word choosing. That must be noted. From 10 members of staff of a college. That means we have to apply this formula. So we can therefore say that solution to this question will be, in how many ways can a disciplinary committee of 3 be formed? Choosing from what? From 10. That means 10 combination from what? Of 3 be formed. Therefore, applying this method to solve, can therefore say that 10 factorial over open bracket 10 minus 3 factorial, then again 3 factorial. So by simplifying this, we can apply 10 factorial, which should be factorial, multiply 10 backward, which should be 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 and times 1 all over 10 minus 3 will give us 7. So we now have 7 factorial here to be. Here we have 7 factorial, which means multiply against 7 factorial, multiply 7 backward, which will now be 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 and times 1. So we have 3 factorial. We multiply 3 backward, which will be 3 times 2 times 1. So to solve this, don't use a calculator to do this. You just simply cancel to make it more easy. You can therefore say 7 cancel 7, 6 cancel 6, 5 cancel 5, 4 cancel 4, 3 cancel 3, 2 cancel 2, 1 cancel 1. So yeah, you can therefore say 3 into 3 is 1, 3 into 9 will give us 3, 2 into 2 is 1, 2 into 10 will give us 5. So 1 into 8 is 8. So you can therefore say that the value remaining here will be 8 times 3 times 5. So 8 times 3 times 5 will give us 120. So the answer here will be in 120 ways. So the answer is 120 ways equals to 120 ways. So let's take another question on this video lesson. Guys, this question 2. So I read the question. In how many ways can a committee be selected? You see the word selected. I told you when you see the word selected or choosing, it means you have to apply combination formula. Okay? From 6 maths teacher and 10 chemistry teacher. So that to solve further, this is a solution which should be 10 combination 6. So applying this method which I gave earlier, therefore, which is this, we therefore have 10 factorial over open bracket 10 minus 6 factorial then 6 factorial. So let's solve this. Consider as 10 factorial over 10 minus 6 will give us 4 factorial 6 factorial. So by solving this, in this case I will show you a shortcut you can use to solve this. You don't need to pass to the first which I gave earlier. So 10 factorial multiplies 10 backwards and get to 1. So let's say 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. But in this case, because we have 6 factorial under at the denominator, stop at 6 factorial. I will show you the reason. So you can make it, so you can solve faster. Is in an examination, or you don't need to go to 1 before you get your answer. But in this case, you still get your answer. So let's say all over. Watch me as I do it. Because we have 6 factorial here, I stop at 6 factorial. I stop at 6 and I put factorial. But if you multiply it backwards, you get 6 factorial. Okay, 4 factorial, then 6 factorial. So therefore means that 6 factorial can cancel 6 factorial. We now have 7 times 8 times 9 times 10 over 4 factorial. And 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That means that this 4 so can go into it to be 2 left. This 3 can go into 9 to be 3 left. And this 2 can go into 10 to be 5. We therefore now have at the numerator as 7 times 2 times 3 and times 5. So using the calculator to solve this, 7 times 2 times 3 times 5, we end up getting 210. So 210 ways. So answer this question is 220 ways, and the answer to this question 2. So if you find this video useful and you are pressing the subscribe button, please do well and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to like this video, comment, and don't forget to share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching.